Hi everyone, this is Rucha and I welcome you to my vlog. Did you know in India we celebrate a festival to mark the beginning of spring season and the transition from winter to spring? Yes, it is called Basant Panchami, Vasant Panchami or Basanti. Basant Panchami is celebrated on the 5th day of the bright fortnight of the Hindu month of Magh, which typically falls around February or January. Vasant or Basant means spring, and spring is the king of all seasons. So its celebrations start 40 days in advance from the day of Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami also marks the start of preparations for Holi, which takes place 40 days later. Any season takes about 40 days for it to transition, and hence the celebration begins 40 days in advance, that is today. In North India, people start playing symbolic Holi on Basant Panchami by spraying gulal and dry colors, and this peaks till the date of Holi. According to Shastras, Lord Brahma created the universe on today's day. So in one sense, we all came into existence in this universe on today's day. So wish you all a very happy universe anniversary. Vasant Panchami is also celebrated as Saraswati Puja. Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, art and music, is worshipped today. Devi Saraswati is the energy of Lord Brahma and she symbolizes creative energy in all forms. On this day of Saraswati Puja, we pray to Devi Saraswati to enlighten and illuminate our path so that we can see our goals very clearly and achieve them with her blessings. Saraswati Mahabhago, Vidya Kamala Lochane, Vidya Rupe Vishalakshi, Vidya Dehi Namostute. Meaning, O Devi Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, with an embodiment of knowledge and lotus-like eyes, please bless me with knowledge, I bow down to you. With the sun coming into the northern hemisphere from the day of Makar Sankranti, we see a significant change in climatic conditions. With the change in the inclination of the earth, we start receiving more energy from sun. And more energy means more activities, more vigor, and more bliss. From cold climatic conditions, the days get warmer and we experience increased energy levels from the dull, sleepy laziness that we used to feel. Therefore, this change of climate is celebrated in a big way as Vasant Panchami. So with the onset of Basant and showering of divine blessings, the quest for knowledge of the Brahman sets in. Athaso Brahma Jigyasa. The Brahman can be understood as a deep ocean of love, beauty, and bliss, and it can be achieved by love and surrender to the divine in honesty, simplicity, and innocence. It is also believed that today is the day when Lord Ram tasted the half-eaten fruits offered to him by Shabri. Shabri was a tribal lady and she waited all her life for Lord Ram to visit her. She had faith that he would definitely visit her one day, and in that faith, every day she would go to the forest, pluck fruits for him in order to offer the best to him. She would taste the sweet and discard the bad. Although she offered him fruits which were tasted or half-eaten, Lord Ram accepted that because he saw her love, her devotion, and her desire to serve. Shabri signifies intense devotion, love, and surrender to the Lord. Yellow is the dominant color of spring. It signifies the brilliance of nature and the vibrancy of life. People wear yellow clothes, offer yellow flowers to God, and apply yellow tilak on their foreheads today. Yellow symbolizes prosperity, auspiciousness, positivity, and optimism. Vasant Panchami marks the harvest time of mustard crop that has yellow bloom. The mustard fields in North India bloom during this time, giving a beautiful yellow coat to nature. Vasant Panchami is also an auspicious occasion for starting any new activity. Vasant Panchami is considered as very auspicious for students. Students place their study materials like books, paper, pens and pencils before Goddess Saraswati and seek her blessing. On this day of Vasant Panchami, in some parts of India, a special sweet called Kesar Halwa is prepared from flour, saffron, nuts, cardamom and sugar. Wish you all a very happy Vasant Panchami. If you like this episode, please do like, share and subscribe.